Hey everyone, Tiffany here, and today I want to give you my review of the Mount Dog Softbox Lighting Kit. Now, if you are like me and you are doing all the things, then this lighting kit is for you. I'm not a professional photographer, but here I am, I'm YouTubing, I'm shooting stuff for other platforms, and I need to set up the camera, I need to set up the lights, the tripods, organize my hair, my makeup. It drives me nuts, it's too much stuff. I'm not a lighting expert. And I've been through that phase with the ring light, but it wasn't quite working out for me. So I got this kit. I got the two lights. You can buy one light separately if you want. I got them both. They come with so many things, including tripods and a remote control and a super cool carrying case. But I just love the soft glow they put on my face. The kit comes with two light bulbs. You can change the warmth of the light bulbs to get the right temperature for you and your skin. Usually I go for a white daylight effect here in this windowless room. The thing I love most is these big white rectangles that make up the soft box diffuse the light so it lands gently on your face. It illuminates your face, but it avoids creating those super harsh shadows, and it does what you want it to do. It brightens up your eyes, brightens up your teeth. The way I have them in front of me right now is I have one on my right, one on my left, just slightly, so I'm getting an angle of light to help prevent a nose shadow. And I do actually have my ring light on a very low setting in front of me, just for an additional boost up front, but not too much because I'm trying to avoid those crazy circles in my pupils. In fact, I have it so low, I don't even know if we'd notice if I turned it off. There, it's off. There, it's back on. I can almost get away without central lighting. The three-legged stands go to a maximum of 78 inches high, easy to adjust. If you're thinking about using these outside, you definitely would need some sandbags to weigh them down. I don't know if I'd recommend them for outdoor shooting, but perfectly amazing for shooting inside. And not only that, we at Hammer and Home are really tough on our gear. These are set up in a dusty, dirty workshop most of the time, and these stands are standing up to all the dirt and dust that we are constantly throwing at them. The remote control is another bonus for all of us shooting selfie videos. It makes it really easy to adjust the light brightness up and down, and if you point it in the middle, you can even adjust them both at the same time. Well, that's pretty bright. And if I point it at one, that one will go brighter. Point it at another, that one will go brighter. I've been using these for ages now. They are great, and they will even light up your eyes when you're wearing a baseball cap. If this video was helpful to you, give it a like and consider subscribing. I do all kinds of reviews right here on this channel. Stay positive, be kind, and I'll see you next time.